I've always been curious about nature. In high school, I took a biology class, which I royally failed. But, when you change your mindset, and when you actually become not just interested in the class, but interested in the overall topic, it's when you actually start learning. I feel that, especially now, it's very important for people to understand what's around us. What it means to be alive. Not just the complexity, but the beauty. What can we learn from nature? What can we appreciate from nature? Those are the things that interest me, and that's what I try to share every day with my pictures. Not just, what is this thing I'm looking at, but why is it important? Why should we preserve it? Why should we fight the people in power to not do stupid things? I enjoy shooting to spread awareness and just overall knowledge of the little things in life that oftentimes go unappreciated, unseen. I think that's something that I like to capture and share with others.